right, class, I wanted to go ahead and give you an introduction to our Canvas course. So when you click on our course, you come to the home page. This is kind of like a welcoming landing place for us to start. It also gives you quick access to our course's learning modules. This is what we are going to use primarily. So when you go to the learning modules, the first module you're going to see up top is our textbook, right? This is a PDF of our textbook. It's free, which is super nice, right? And I would recommend you go ahead and do download this and do read the chapters. Our course is broken up into modules by chapter. There are 2 chapters due each week, and we have a final exam due right before this course ends on January 14th. Okay, so here's where I want you to start. Here's our overview. Here's some information about me. Here's how to register for MyMathLab. This is where all of our online homework is done. You do have to download this, but it does give you our course ID so you can get all registered. If we go back to the modules, you also have our textbook, and here's a Q&A discussion board where you can ask me anything about how this course works. So we've already started class, and most of you completed chapter 1, but I want to go over this again. So here's a great place to start. The first thing I want you to do is go item by item, okay? I want you to take a look at the chapter 1 overview and to-do list. So it says I need to read chapter 1 and overview to-do list. Oh, that's this. Good job. Then I want to read chapter 1 in our textbook, view my chapter lecture presentation. I'll show you how to do that in a second. Then you want to do our discussion and complete the homework, the quiz, and the project. Not all chapters have projects, but this one does. So let's go back to our modules. That's important. Okay, so this is the PowerPoint. If you wanted to download a copy of the PowerPoint, you could do so here. It's not necessary for you to download the PowerPoint, but I like to. It has all of our major definitions. You could read through it, entirely up to you. What's most important here is our link to the chapter lecture videos. So you click this link, and it takes you to 5 folders that contain all of our videos. So here I have the chapter 1 statistics videos. It's broken up into 4 parts, right? So you can watch that here on your computer. You can press play, or you can download it if you want to save it. I don't know why you would, maybe for the future. So after that, after I've watched the videos and read the chapter, I can go to our group discussion. So I expect you to post in full paragraphs, full sentences, right? And I want you to list at least one example of data. So here's the guidelines. Your post should be 50 to 100 words, reflecting on the prompt above. Then what you have to do is reply to at least 2 classmates' posts. Now this is a small class, so maybe respond to one, and that'll be and to my post, or return a reply if I comment on your post, and that should be just fine. After that, right, we go back to our modules, and I want you to complete the homework. So here's a link to the homework. Our homework is done in MyMathLab. You do have to get all registered as a student using our code, which is on the MyMathLab instructions in our Canvas course. After that, you can go ahead and take the quiz and work on the project. Now, one thing I want you to know is that we do cover 2 chapters a week. This is an accelerated course. So chapter 2 was technically due on Monday. If you missed it, that's okay. Please work to get caught up. We're going to be starting chapters 3 and 4 this week. Chapter 4 is about probability, and chapter 5 is about discrete probability distribution. So this is like, we're getting into the good statistics stuff starting in chapter 5. If you have any questions, you can always message me in Canvas, or you can send me an email. It's totally up to you.